Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best waterproof smartwatches that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Matis smartwatch for men and women. This budget-friendly smartwatch offers an impressive suite of features for its price. With a 1.96-inch HD touchscreen boasting a crisp 320 by 380 resolution, it delivers excellent visuals and responsive touch controls. The watch supports Bluetooth calling, message notifications, and 110+ sports modes, making it a versatile companion for both fitness enthusiasts and everyday users. Its IP68 waterproof rating ensures it can handle rain, sweat, and hand washing with ease. In terms of design, the Matis smartwatch is sleek and lightweight, weighing just 2.89 ounces. It's equipped with a high-performance sensor for 24/7 heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and step counting, syncing seamlessly with the GloryFit app for detailed health insights. The battery life is solid, offering up to 7 days of typical usage and 30 days on standby. However, it lacks built-in GPS, relying instead on smartphone GPS for activity tracking. While the Matis smartwatch provides exceptional value for its price, its lower durability and limited advanced features make it better suited for casual users rather than hardcore athletes. If you're looking for an affordable, stylish smartwatch with essential features, this one is a great starting point. At number 4, we have the Konbink smartwatch for men and women. With its 1.85-inch HD touchscreen and customizable watch faces, this smartwatch is designed for those who prioritize style and practicality. It supports Bluetooth calling and message notifications, and its IP68 waterproof rating ensures durability during workouts, rainy days, or casual splashes. The Konbink also features 120+ sports modes, catering to a wide range of activities from yoga to hiking. The build quality here is a step up from entry-level options, with a sturdy, yet lightweight design. Its 350 mAh battery charges in just 2 hours and lasts up to 10 days of regular use. The health monitoring capabilities are comprehensive, including 24/7 heart rate tracking and sleep analysis, which sync with its companion app for detailed insights. However, its lack of built-in GPS means you'll need to pair it with a smartphone for accurate location tracking. Overall, the Konbink smartwatch offers a balanced mix of style, functionality, and affordability. It's perfect for users who want a reliable fitness tracker and smartwatch without breaking the bank. While it lacks advanced ruggedness for extreme outdoor use, it's an excellent choice for daily wear and general fitness. Taking the number 3 spot is the Trousy smartwatch for women and men. This smartwatch shines with its sleek 1.83-inch HD IPS display, offering crystal-clear visuals and a resolution of 240 by 284. Its customizable watch faces let you match your style effortlessly, whether you're at the gym or in the office. The Trousy watch features Bluetooth call functionality, real-time notifications, and music control, making it a versatile companion for various daily tasks. Performance-wise, the Trousy excels with 120 sports modes and advanced health tracking capabilities. It monitors heart rate, sleep patterns, and step counts, providing users with detailed, actionable insights through its companion app. While its IP67 waterproof rating is slightly lower than other options on this list, it's more than sufficient for light splashes and everyday use. The battery life is competitive, offering up to 7 days of active use and 30 days of standby time. Its modern design and solid functionality make the Trousy smartwatch a great pick for style-conscious users who want reliable fitness tracking at an affordable price. However, it's less suited for extreme sports or prolonged water exposure. If you're looking for a stylish and capable fitness watch, this is a fantastic option. Coming in at number 2 is the DeckLife Military Smartwatch, a rugged timepiece designed for durability and performance. Crafted from a titanium alloy bezel and stainless steel caseback, this watch is built to withstand harsh conditions, including impact, salt spray, and rain. Its IP68 waterproof rating ensures reliability in tough environments. With 124 sports modes, including outdoor and tactical activities, it's an ideal choice for adventurous users and fitness enthusiasts. A DeckLife smartwatch is equipped with high-precision sensors for heart rate, blood oxygen, and stress monitoring, making it a great tool for keeping track of your health. The 1.52-inch HD display is bright and clear even in direct sunlight, and the 410 mAh battery provides an impressive 10 days of use or 45 days on standby. Bluetooth call functionality adds convenience, allowing users to make calls and receive notifications directly from their wrist. While the DeckLife offers exceptional durability and features, its slightly smaller screen size compared to higher-ranked models may not appeal to users who prefer larger displays. That said, it's perfect for those who need a rugged and reliable smartwatch for active lifestyles or outdoor adventures. And finally, at number 1, we have the Aliexpress military smartwatch, the premium option on this list. This smartwatch stands out with its massive 2.06-inch AMOLED display offering unparalleled brightness, clarity, and responsiveness. Its rugged design is crafted from special metal materials and tested against extreme conditions, making it the most durable choice for outdoor enthusiasts and athletes. With an IP68 waterproof rating and GPS tracking via smartphone, it's ready for any adventure. The Aliexpress smartwatch is packed with advanced features, including 120 sports modes, 24/7 heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, and comprehensive sleep analysis. Its Bluetooth calling functionality allows users to make and receive calls, manage messages, and control music directly from the watch. The battery life is exceptional, lasting up to 15 days of regular use, making it ideal for extended trips or busy lifestyles. While the Aliexpress is the most expensive option on this list, its premium build quality, expansive feature set, and excellent performance make it worth every penny. If you're seeking a high-end smartwatch that combines style, durability, and functionality, look no further than the Aliexpress military smartwatch. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.